Hello, fashion family. Today, let's explore the re-emergence of the jean short, affectionately known as jorts. Jorts, short for jean shorts, first appeared in the 1960s counterculture and later gained fame in the 80s and 90s through punk, skate, and hip-hop styles, often seen in oversized, baggy cuts. Now, in mid-2025, jorts have staged a triumphant comeback. According to Who What Wear, the trend has exploded across TikTok and Instagram, reimagined as long-line, knee-length Bermuda shorts in relaxed silhouettes. Style influencers, from Bella Hadid to Gigi and Hailey Bieber, have showcased jorts at events and on the street. High-fashion brands like Gucci, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, and Diesel have featured jorts in runway collections, spotlighting frayed, tailored, and embellished styles. I like my jorts hitting right at, or just above the knee, relaxed, maybe with a little flair. I usually pair them with a cropped or fitted top to keep the proportions sharp. For shoes, I switch it up, sometimes ballet flats or loafers, other times heeled sandals when I want to add some edge. I once tried DIY jorts by cutting up my favorite old jeans and accidentally made one leg way shorter than the other. Let's just say, it was not the asymmetry fashion had in mind. Part of jorts' appeal is their eco-friendly DIY potential. Cutting up old jeans or upcycling vintage denim aligns with Gen Z's circular fashion values. So, whether you thrift them, stitch them up yourself, or buy them ready-made, jorts prove denim shorts finally grew up.